4 luckiest zodiac signs from August 13th. Welcome to our channel, where the magic of astrology comes alive. Today we will discuss 4 zodiac signs that the stars predict will have incredible luck starting from August 13th. This will be the time when all the planets will line up for them in the luckiest row. Stay tuned to find out how to make the most of this period. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to always be up to date with astrological forecasts. 1. Aries. Aries are always known for their energy and initiative, and from August 13th, they will have new opportunities to implement the most ambitious projects. This is the time when Aries can successfully start a new business, expand current projects, or even get a promotion at work. Their passionate desire to achieve results and willingness to take risks will bring not only professional success this time, but also a significant improvement in their financial situation. 2. Taurus. Taurus, who always value stability and comfort, will find that their financial affairs are on the rise. Investments made earlier will begin to bring profit, and opportunities for additional income will appear one after another. This period is also ideal for Taurus to invest in real estate or securities that promise long-term well-being. 3. Libra. For Libra, this period will be the time when their personal and professional relationships will reach a new level. Thanks to their ability to find a common language with different people, Libra will conclude profitable agreements that can significantly increase their social status and financial situation. It is also a great time to get married or start a new romantic relationship that will bring joy and satisfaction. 4. Scorpio. Scorpios will experience significant growth in their personal development, which will lead to success in all areas of life. Their intuition will be at its best, which will allow them to make the right choices at critical moments. With their ability to see the essence of things, Scorpios will be able to unravel financial secrets or open up new sources of income. This is also a time for important personal transformations that will make them stronger and more confident.